my good people, welcome to my channel once again. I am the only one and the only your sister and your wife and your friend. Today I just want to show you how I do my little recipe, how I cook a vegetable. You know, I like vegetables so much. You know, vegetable is also good for everybody. Today I want to cook only vegetable. Just watch and see how I cook this vegetable. This vegetable you can use it and eat rice, you can use it and eat yam, you can also use it and eat potato, anything at all. You can also use it and eat fufu. Whatever you like, you can use it and eat. But this one, I'm gonna eat it like that without anything at all. I feel like eating only vegetable. So let's just start. Here I have here spinach. You can see I've already cut it. It's already chopped and kept and washed as well. Here is my onions. Here is carrots and the paprika and tomatoes. So here is the seasonings. We are going to add a bit of these seasonings, and this is paprika, dried paprika, and this is salt, and this is Vos. German call it Vos, but the name is in English is sausage. This sausage was made. They use paprika and the cucumber to make these sausages. So, and here is my groundnut oil, the sunflower oil, anyway. So let's just start cooking this food. Let's just get started, guys. Now I'm adding a bit of sunflower oil on the pot, inside the pot, and then as it's getting warm, I will add this. I will add the onions, chopped onions. So as I said before, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time. This may be 3 or 4 minutes video. So guys, and as it's going, guys, I don't want to take a lot of time in this. So if you are new in this channel, just see and look whether you can like what we are doing here. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and also share and comment. And my old and my new subscribers, I welcome you all. Thank you for your support. May God bless you all. So I'm adding a bit of salt, a little bit of salt. So as it's cooking, see, I didn't put too much oil here. So guys, just continue watching. Now I'm adding the sausages. Just add the sausages. The sausages I just cut it. Then I add this paprika, tomatoes, and carrots. I didn't put too much oil, guys. You know, I just want to eat vegetables today. I love vegetable, guys. Vegetable is good. As I want to lose a little weight, I'm watching my weight. That's why now That is why I'm trying to eat a lot of vegetables. It hurts. It hurts, guys. It hurts. Because of this lockdown, many people add a lot of weight. Many of us, we added a lot of weight. So to reduce, you need a lot of vegetables in your food. So now I will add this paprika. Not too much. Then I will add this seasoning powder. Seasoning powder, not too much. 1 small spoon, 1 teaspoon. So for those who like to eat pepper, I don't like too much pepper in my food. So because of that, I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. And I turn once again. You see, guys, I will not allow this vegetable to cook much. You can see. Now I will add this spinach on it. When I add it, I turn it and allow it to steam for 2 minutes. Then I will check whether the salt is okay. I'll bring it down. I don't need to cook it much because when it's you cook your vegetable too much, all the ingredients and what the intakes will just go away. Because of that, you don't need to cook it too much, guys. So I have to allow it to steam for 2 minutes, then it is good, it is well. So guys, you can see it is done. I didn't add any water at all. I didn't add any water at all. You can see how it is. It is done now. Then I'll off it. I'll off the electric cooker. It is hot.